What's up guys, welcome to Tommy RC. Now today I'm going to show you the WPL's new cars. Now this is called the D42. This is a 1/10 cars. Now let's unbox it. Look at it, yellow bodies. This is the manuals, English and Chinese manuals. The transmitters as before. And this is the stuffs you should put it on the car. Look at it. This is just like Volkswagen's the Beetles. This is just like a big bread. So in Chinese name, this car is called the bread cars. Now this car is official licensed by the Chinese car companies. It calls the Tianjin Dafa. So this is a licensed cars. I remember that the real cars is the first batch of taxis in China. So this is the oldest Chinese taxi cars. Now after sometimes I put the stickers here and the rear mirrors. Just look at the real cars. Now this is what the Chinese, the first taxis are. Look at it. I don't know why there is a Mercedes-Benz logos in the real taxis. Now look at, here is the interiors. You can see the stickers in the dashboard. And there is also the middle and rear seats. Now this is maybe 7-seat taxis. I don't know because this is just after the foundations of the new channel, the PRC channel. This is the hard bodies. Now the chassis you will know because this is just the same chassis as WPL's D12. IFS and rear axial, solid axials, rear wheel drive. By the way, this is a new design for the batteries here. This is a battery tree and here to fix, and this is exhaust. So cute little ones. By the way, I don't know why this is a square edge. Look, here you can see this is, I don't know why WPL's made the total flat roof. So cute. Now thanks for watching. Please make comments down below, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.